How to resize product picture in Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can resize product picture in Shopify. So to begin with, check your internet connection, open up a web browser, and then log in into your Shopify account. So for that, you need to go to your shopify.com. After that, log in into your account by entering your credential. As soon as you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. If you feel that the pictures on your Shopify account are much more larger and it needs to be resized, then what you need to do is you need to head over to your dashboard page. While you're on this page, head over towards your left hand side and go ahead and tap on online store. After you click on online store, in the right hand side bar, you'll be able to see multiple options. Here you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see customize. So right next to customize, there is a three-dot icon. Click on it, and as soon as you click on the three-dot icon, a drop-down menu appears. From the list, go ahead and tap on edit code. This is gonna take you to the information page. Here you need to scroll down right to the bottom and go ahead and tap on assets. After you click on assets, you'll need to find for the particular link or the code that is section main product CSS. After that, it's gonna open up the code page. Here you need to scroll down right to the bottom once you're on this page as well. Over here on this particular file, what you need to do is you need to find a particular keyword. So for that, you need to click on Ctrl+F on your mouse or on the keyboard. After that, you need to type in wrapper, that is WRAPPER wrapper, and click on the next button. After that, the word wrapper will be highlighted. So you need to find a particular code that will be located right in between. You need to find this particular link, that is media screen and midwidth 990px. Make sure that you've selected on 990px. You can see there are multiple same particular link, but there are the number differences. So here underneath, you can see the percentage of your photo. So what you need to do is basically you'll have to remove the particular number, and after that you need to type in yours. Now for example, mine was 25, so I'm just gonna go ahead and type in 12%. After that, you need to click on the save button located in the upper right hand side corner. As soon as you've done that, log out of your account, or else you can simply close this tab and then refresh it, and once again log in into your account, and this might be able to fix or resize your photo. In this way, you can resize product picture in Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.